Hello, welcome to Helsinki, Finland.
Looks like a great place, doesn't it?
Yeah, I can't wait.
No, let's go. We took the hop-on, hop-off bus, as Helsinki is a very large city. The route has 19 stops and is priced at £26 per adult.
Helsinki enjoys one of the highest urban standards of living, and a glimpse at the clean lines of the city's architecture, the wide immaculate streets, and plenty of space for leisure and recreation seems to confirm that.
Senate Square is a highlight of Helsinki, surrounded by government buildings, university and Helsinki's Cathedral.
The cathedral is reached via a lot of steps. Be sure to turn round at the top and take in the view of the square. Built between 1830 and 1850, the clean lines and modest decor are especially refreshing on a summer's day. The people we encountered were friendly and welcoming, with a soft-spoken Nordic charm.
Helsinki was founded as a trading town in 1550, but suffered plague and poverty and didn't find its feet till the 1800s as a Russian annex.
So we've made our way down to the pretty marina area.
Absolutely, and there's lots of restaurants and bars and the market just down there, so we should go and have a look.
And some shops. Helsinki shows its heritage with its ornate Russian Orthodox church and neoclassical architecture. It is often used as a stand-in for St. Petersburg in films.
There were plenty of museums and art galleries to explore, as well as 3 theatres and 2 full-size symphony orchestras, as well as many parks and waterfront areas to enjoy.
The market square is home to Helsinki's famous international market, selling traditional foods and treats, as well as handicrafts and souvenirs. In winter there are heated cafe tents where you can warm up with hot coffee. We left hankering for more, to see the rest of this beautiful country. So, I've really enjoyed Helsinki. What you can't always capture on film is the vibe of a place, and it's really laid back and cool.
Certainly is, yeah. I've really enjoyed it, and I think I'd like to see a bit more Finland. How about you?
Love to.
Yeah.
To do that.